Hey everyone, it's me Martin again. We're going to talk about DropBox today and today's version of Tech Tips. DropBox is a really popular software right now for collaborating on documents and pictures and stuff among various computers and even smartphones. So we're going to start off by downloading it, which is a quick download. Go to dropbox.com and just hit the big blue download button that's going to be there. Save the file. I'm using Firefox right now, so this is what mine will look like. Yours will look slightly different if you're using another browser. No matter which browser you use, it all works pretty well. And for those of you who have Macs, the process is very similar. You just instead of the .exe, you'll be using the .dmg file that will download. So after it gets done downloading, we're going to install it. I kind of talk about what DropBox is. If you are especially working in a team environment, if you're wanting to edit documents between each other and share those documents with the same edits without having to email and have a million different copies of the same file, DropBox works with on the cloud computing model that will sync up the documents across the internet, basically. So you put it in the Dropbox and whoever else has it installed will be able to open it up after it gets done syncing. Alright, so we got done downloading it. We're going to double click on it, let it open up. Yes, we want to run it. The first warning was just saying, hey, be careful opening up .exe files. So this is the setup. So we're going to hit install. It's going to take a couple minutes to install depending on the speed of your computer. And it helps. As an example, my wife and I both have this. I have this on my MacBook, my Windows PC at home, and my Android phone. If I have to upload something, or if my wife needs a document on my computer and I don't really want to email it because of the size or whatever, or I just don't want to go through the process of opening up email and typing up, I can take the document, drop it into the Dropbox, and within seconds it'll sync up on my computer at home, and she'll be able to open it up as she needs to. It works the same with pictures and videos, although videos, you have to be careful on videos because of the file size. Alright, so it's done installing. Now we're going to do the setup. I've already got an account, so I'm going to click the I already have an account, Dropbox account. If you don't have an account, you need to click the top option. The setup is very similar. It's just going to ask you to create an email address and create a password and maybe some other information. So I'll use my email, my password, hit next. Now it is free for 2 gigs. That's 2 gigs of space that is maintained and backed up on the Dropbox servers. If you need more space than that, then it's $10 for 50, $20 a month for 100 gigs. Chances are you're not going to need that much unless you're really doing a whole lot of videos or huge pictures. 2 gigs is usually more than enough space. I've got a lot of stuff in my Dropbox, as you'll see in just a minute, and I'm well under 2 gigs of space. So hit next. This tells you where it's going to store. It's going to store in my documents. Next again. This is just a little tutorial. And then this right here is a nice little feature to know. You can access all your files since it is stored on their servers. You can access them through dropbox.com. You just log on with your email address and password, and you'll be able to, say if you're at someone's computer who doesn't have Dropbox and you don't want to install Dropbox on your account, dropbox.com, pull the files off that you want to show, and then you're all done. It's simple as that. If you can use the internet, you can use Dropbox. Hit next. Hey, I'm going to have a little icon down here in the bottom, and you can share it across the network if you want. That's just totally up to you. I always like having an icon on my desktop just because I'm lazy and don't want to go looking for it. So I'll just leave that checked and hit finish. I've already made a couple different cuts to this video, so that's why it said that. Alright, so this is my Dropbox. So it's my account, so I see all my folders and all my files. And you see I've got a lot of folders and files in here. I got pictures, I've got some diagnostic CD stuff, I've got some various documents that I need to use, school homework assignments, all kinds of stuff, and I'm well under the 2 gigs. Like I said, it is compatible with phones, smartphones. So if you have a BlackBerry, iPhone, Android phone, go to the respective markets of those providers and download the Dropbox app. Setup's the same way, and you can flip through stuff on your phone really easily. Well, that's Dropbox, guys. If you guys have any questions about it or how to get it set up, just shoot me an email, techsupportnorth@ourkwpartners.com. I'll be glad to help you out as best I can. Thanks a lot. You guys have a great day.